Hi guys. Today we will checking out the Spigen ArcStation Pro and Spigen Power Arc wireless charger. Both are great charging accessories built to improve charging efficiency and convenience to its users. Both of the products are packed in Spigen signature packaging which looks clean and minimalist. We will check out the Spigen Power Arc ArcStation Pro wall charging adapter first to see what it has to offer. Inside the box, you will find one USB-C charging cable provided to help you charge up your device. Next out is the Spigen Power Arc ArcStation Pro wall charging adapter. On first impressions, the ArcStation Pro wall charger looks really sleek and wide. It has a versatile and compact design to allow it to be carried around and used even when you are out and about. It is equipped with gallium nitride GaN technology to charge up your device more efficiently with a cooler, faster result with a smaller compact body. It is up to 50 degrees cooler than regular silicon chargers when in use. The build quality is pretty solid. Materials are nicely fitted with good color coding. It has a foldable wall charging pins to allow for a more sleek and compact usage experience. With its ergonomic build and size, it is designed for portability. Look how well it fits into my bag pocket. It hardly occupies much space in the small pouch, showing you how compactly it fits in purses, pouches, or backpacks. To use, simply plug and play in your wall outlet. The charger will light up a blue LED or to show it's in use. Now, just plug in your phone. Here I will use it on my Samsung device which supports fast charging. As you see, it's now fast charging. This device has a 3500 mAh battery with barely 40% left. I will charge it up with the ArcStation Pro charger. According to the phone, it calculates that it will finish charging in around 1 hour. Impressive, as when using regular chargers, it will take longer than 1 hour to finish charging it fully. With PPS 45 watt power delivery, it provides fast charging to most modern-day smartphone, tablet, laptops and more. Pretty good invention by Spigen to cater a compact, fast charger that works great with excellent portability. It supports Samsung devices too that is PPS fast charging enabled. It also has better power quality technology for a more stable power delivery compared with some other 45 watt chargers that have a regular current which isn't good for batteries. Now, we will check out the Spigen ArcField wireless charger. Inside the box, you will find one set of user guide to aid you in setting up the device. A USB-C cable is included to connect the wireless charger to a power source. Next out is the wireless charger itself, all packed neatly in the product packaging. On first impressions of the Spigen wireless charger, it looks really modern and stylish with a matte black rubber finish on the main body, with metallic designed rims surrounding the edges of the charger. It provides fast wireless charging which at maximum power is 15 watts power delivery, which provides a more fast and efficient charging experience. Overall, solid design and build. Now let's connect it to power and start usage. Once powered up, it is ready to use. Just place a wireless charging enabled smartphone over like my device, and the LED indicator of the charger will light up signaling it is charging, and the phone will state that it is fast charging wirelessly. Super simple. It has overheat protection technology to provide fast charging without overheating. It is case friendly, so even if you have a case over it, it should work provided that the thickness is under 6 mm and doesn't contain blocking objects. It is also universally compatible with most wireless charging enabled devices. One charger for all your accessories. The device itself is really slim and minimalist, portable and space-saving for your desk. It has a non-slip rubber coating to ensure that your device stays in place when it's charging without slipping off. Overall, I find the Spigen Power Arc family of products like the ArcField wireless charger and ArcStation PD charger a great innovation by Spigen as it helps allow tech users like myself find good alternatives to default charging appliances provided by manufacturers. This range of charging solutions has allowed me to have greater charging efficiency, saving me time and power. If you want to know more about the Spigen range of charging solutions, check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.